guys, so good morning. I'm going to attempt to do Vlogmas this year. It's gonna be a little bit crazy because we have a newborn, but yeah, we're gonna try. It is currently 6 a.m. I've been up since 5:30 because the baby did not want to sleep, but now he's literally asleep in the bouncer next to me, but he would not sleep in his bassinet. So I'm just sitting here watching some YouTube videos, working on an order. I have to make 7 Christmas trees. I have 5 done. I have to make 2 more for an order that I was supposed to ship yesterday. But yeah, that's what I'm working on this morning. And I think we might put our Christmas tree up later today, so kicking off Vlogmas nice and fun with some Christmas festivities. I'm excited. But yeah, sorry I'm being kind of quiet because my husband's sleeping, baby's sleeping. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and crochet. Hopefully I can get this order shipped. We have a lot of orders, so I want to finish this so I can try to make a few of the other orders that I have to ship out. They're not due till like later, but yeah, I want to finish this order and get it ready to go. So that's what I'm gonna be doing this morning. Hey guys, so it's about 8:15 now. I fell asleep for like a half an hour. Then the baby woke me back up, but I'm working on finishing the Christmas trees. I'm almost done with one of them, and then I have to make one more, so cool. I'm making myself some breakfast because I'm hungry, and I just came in here to refill my stuffing bag because I'm not bringing my giant stuffing box in the living room. So yeah, that's my little update.
I'm sorry, are you asking me to interpret my parents' motives?
So which bed do you want? Take one by the window. Okay. Mom! You put the picture of the ugly baby on my bed?
I didn't, I swear. That ugly baby is stalking us. Run away.
Poor baby. It's not what you are.
I think it's a she.
Poor baby, you picked your own parents. It's this time of year and you have such a opinion. I mean, I know she's probably busy with sharing and, part.
Alright, you guys, it's almost noon. I finished all but one Christmas tree. I'm working on the last one right now. This is about how far I have so far. I hope I have enough yarn to finish this because that's my last skein, and I don't want to run to Hobby Lobby because it's kind of far. So I'm hoping I can get this done. I know. Bless you, buddy. I'm hoping that I can get this done on the skein. Stephanie has some more green yarn at her place, and I meant to grab some last night when I was over there, but I forgot, so I'm hoping I have enough to finish this tree. So I went to the store. It's about 3 o'clock now. I came home to finish my tree, but I ran out of yarn. I really don't think I have any more of this yarn here, but I'm gonna dig through my stuff and see just in case I have some, because I really don't want to run to Hobby Lobby. But I need to finish this like today. And I'm almost done, but I ran out of yarn, so that's annoying. Okay, my husband's gonna run me to Hobby Lobby later, so I'm gonna work on some other orders that I have. I know I have some orders that have like chickens in it. I think there's like 2 white chickens and 2 brown chickens I have to make, so I'm gonna make those really fast. I just had another order come in, so now I have to make 3 brown chickens. It's about 8 o'clock now. I'm almost done with the last Christmas tree. I had to go run to Hobby Lobby and get another skein of this yarn, and it was the last one on the shelf. Thank goodness. If I would have drove all that way for nothing, I would have been so sad. But yeah, I want to get this done already so I can ship these out. And hopefully maybe I can edit a YouTube video tonight. I have like one I want to edit before I start uploading Vlogmas videos. So obviously this video is going to go up tomorrow. And I want to get the other video up like tonight. But yeah. I need to finish these trees and then maybe I'll edit a video. I was trying to use this laptop my husband has to edit a video, but for some reason there's only like 12 gigabytes available on it. I don't know what he put on this computer, but like I can't, there's no space. So I guess I have to go to the office, and yeah, my husband left to go to the store, so I have to wait till he gets back. So I'm gonna finish this tree. I finally finished all of the trees, so now we're gonna go ahead and package them up to get them shipped. Okay, we're finally packaged with all those trees, so I'll have to drop these off at the post office probably Monday. I think they're closed on Sunday, so I'll drop this off at the post office on Monday because it's like 9 o'clock now on Saturday, so yeah. But yeah, I have like 6 open orders still. Stephanie completed one earlier today because there was 8. So yeah. There are 6 open orders. I literally am almost done with this one chicken. I have a white chicken to make and I'm almost done with that, so I can probably ship that off tomorrow at some point. There's a blue booty turtle, but I think Stephanie said she's making those. Another order has a booty turtle, a mushroom pop keychain, and 2 chickens. And then someone else just ordered 2 chickens and a booty turtle. No, just 2 chickens. Then we have another booty turtle and then 2 more chickens. A lot of chickens. But yeah, I'm gonna work on making those chickens. I think I'm gonna edit a video really quickly though this evening, just so I can get that uploaded before Vlogmas starts, because it's not a Vlogmas vlog. I want to get it, it's just like a random regular vlog, so I want to get that uploaded before I start my Vlogmas videos. Oh yeah, so I totally decided to not put up the Christmas tree today because we went to the grocery store, so we just were tired and didn't feel like doing it today. So I think we're gonna end up doing it tomorrow though, because my friends are coming over and they're gonna help Kevin get the tree out of the attic because I can't lift heavy things, so they're gonna help do that. So tomorrow's vlog will be decorating for Christmas. Today we were just kind of working on orders, hanging out at home, relaxing and stuff. Okay, so I just made 2 of the white chickens. I just have to put their little red things on, but I'll do that tomorrow because it's like midnight. So I'm gonna call it a night now. Hi Miles. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, so I'm about to go to bed. But yeah, that is all for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out, and I'll see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. Hopefully we put the tree up tomorrow. Bye.